All right, Chad.
Just reel it in when he starts not fighting, okay?
Yeah, here.
Holy shit, Jake!
Get it in. Get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in.
Look at this, Jake, up there, Chad. Look!
Look, there's my sinker.
Oh my!
That's a cat.
Got the net.
Oh!
The drag on, Jake.
He's up, he's up. This isn't gonna snap, trust me. And the fishing day begins. Yeah. Three, 2, 1, and we're out.
Look at that bird, Jake. Got my bait too.
Did it feel big?
Yeah. That was on the shiner.
Jeez. Probably a catfish though.
Well, keep an eye on your blinds. They hit me. My hit yours.
That's ready. For muskie. See, it's pretty loud.
It's not like it's that far away.
Over there. Telling you, it's the lake monster. We're gonna catch it. On the worm. Gotta be patient.
Something got mine in its mouth. My line's moving that way.
Should I reel in?
No.
Oh yeah.
Same pull too. It's hitting it. Whatever it is. I could just feel little nibbles. My line was going that way.
All right, Chad.
Just reel it in when he starts not fighting, okay? Don't worry about the lines. We'll get him in. I want you
Yo.
to lose the fish. He's a big one. Probably a big channel cat.
100%.
Get your hands
Here,
on him.
grab me the net. It's on my side. Oh boy, he's gonna tangle us up for sure.
Don't worry about it.
Oh,
Want
he's
him
over
losing
there.
it.
All right, Chad.
Get tangled in my line, buddy. That's a big one. He took that bait and it.
Oh yeah, that's a big cat.
Just let him fight. Because he won't bust the line unless you're pulling it.
Oh, start reeling it.
Start reeling. No,
Oh,
don't reel.
not anymore. Oh my gosh, Chad!
Oh, it snapped. It snapped. Go on there. Get the net.
Whoa!
Get the net.
Here.
Holy shit, Jake.
Get it in. Get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in, get it in.
Oh,
Chad, switch spots with me.
Okay.
If you could reel my stuff in because I'm getting a snag.
Yeah. Go ahead.
oh my God. Oh my God. It's right
Thank
there,
you.
Jake. Get these lines in. It's got the other
Yeah, there's
line.
no time.
Did you see how...
I saw the splash, that's it.
I seen how big it was. Please don't break. Please don't break. It's gotta be 30-some inches.
Get that thing over here. Get in. That thing's jumping. Come on, get close enough. He's not giving you any room. Got him! Oh yeah. Here, I'll take care of this.
Okay.
I'm gonna take care of this catfish.
Yeah.
Wait a second, do I have a fish on
There's a
there?
fish on there, Jake.
I think it's a, I thought it was a snag.
Can you get it, Chad? You need a needle nose? Get the needle nose. I think there's a fish on there. Or do you have a snag?
I think it's a snag.
You know what? That thing hit me.
This is,
How long do you think it is? I thought it was a bit bigger. Than
we're
what
testing it. You get that thing on that tiny hook.
I told you.
Actually, let's switch spots again.
Okay.
And that dang fishing rod. Okay.
That was all Nightfall.
Wow. That's a big fish. You're good. I can get my hands on it. Okay, where is the
Tape measure.
tape measure?
I don't want that fish on me.
Chad, it's not gonna reel in. Just let it do its thing. It's the kind of reel it is. Here, I'm gonna hold it straight. I won't let it go. Go ahead and get yourself measured.
You want me to get the?
Put on the side.
You want
You're
me to
good.
get
We gotta do it this way.
the?
A little bit more. Right there.
23.
23 and a half. What a fish. Please. Okay. I
Okay,
got
go
it.
back in the water.
Here, look at the camera.
You want to keep it?
What a
We don't
fish.
keep it.
What a fish. In the water you go. All right. Whee. Here, I gotta wash my hands and then I'm back on that rod. Oh,
What?
my red rod. That thing just bent down all the way.
Yeah, all these pools are, they're all bent. Look.
We're getting snags.
Yeah.
Okay, I got that
Chad
off.
has one in the water. I got
Okay.
a hold of it, but I can't get a hold of mine.
Here, I got mine. I got this one.
It drags on its head.
Here. Thanks.
You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Here, let me get. Okay, they don't have no bait. So, here.
Whatever I got in there, I'm pulling it up.
Okay.
I honestly don't know if this is a snag anymore. Cause look, I'm pulling it. It might be a huge log. Or it might be a fish at the bottom.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, what do I got?
Got that snag over the. I think I busted his line again.
What the heck is this thing? How big is the log? Okay, there's my line. Now what the heck do I have?
You got a big snapper on there.
You think so?
Look at this, Jacob, or Chad. Look.
Look, there's my sinker.
Oh my.
What the heck is that? It's a huge branch.
Reach over and see if you can get it.
Let's land this thing. There's my fish for the day. Oh my gosh, this line's
Don't fall
strong.
in. Grab the log itself.
You got it, Chad?
Yep. See if you can get it, the hook out.
What the? Ew, don't bring it in. It's got that bacteria in it.
Yeah. Get it? Throw it back.
Yeah. Well, hey, I caught that on a shiner, just so y'all know. If you were trying to catch one. Man, this line is
I
strong.
need a give me the hook. I mean, give me the net.
What's the matter? My red rod.
No, it's snagged, but it... If I didn't look, it was worn over.
Dang it.
It's 12 feet of water. How the hell are we getting snagged?
Shiner gone.
Did you snap it, Jake?
No, I got all my stuff back on both rods.
Oh, okay.
Gonna have to worry about my lure after. That's a cat.
Got the net.
Oh,
The drag on, Jake.
he's up. He's up. This isn't gonna snap. Trust me. I'll be surprised. Yep, that's a cat.
Get over there and get the fish.
Here we are. Nice. Oh, he's not in that. He's not in that. He's in. Sweet. That's the cousin of the one you caught. On a shiner.
Was that the one with the fanfare?
No. Thanks. Can you reel in my lure?
Yeah.
The big one right behind me. I'll take care of this.
Where?
The telescopic rod. Big catfish. Here comes the rain.
Get the thing off of there. You're taking it out. Don't leave it there.
What the heck?
Crappie.
It was just sitting there.
A crappie on it too.
Oh my gosh, that was on the...
Yep, told you. Told you.
I can't believe it. I literally just reeled it up because
And you had a worm on there.
I had a minnow.
Oh, no.
I literally just reeled it up because I was going to reel it in and just keep it out. And this thing was waiting for us. Nice. Nice crappie. Not gonna make it. Yeah, we are.
Yeah, it's better.
You're going too fast. In we go. I'm pushing.
I was gonna put the trolling hook.
Stay right there. Hold on, let me get it over. All right, Chad, push out the boat. Hold on. Bring it back more. All right, go ahead and move the truck. Go ahead and back up. Hold on. You're good now. let's go. Yep. And we go home.